Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, wherever you're watching from. This is Harmon. Hello, guys. Just done with my lunch. Now walking back to the SGR stage. I'm from Suswa town, just behind me. This is Suswa town. And the SGR stage is right there. That Maasai red house, big huge house. It is 6 minutes past 2. I hope to get there in the next 15 to 20 minutes. The walk is also healthy, since after heavy lunch, it's a form of exercise. It helps you to relax, improves your blood circulation, and you become healthy. There are so many rocks and mountains surrounding this region. I don't know if you will be able to see them. Look at the horizon, the landscape, the mountains, different formations. The huge mountain over there is Mount Longonot, and this is Suswa town. Suswa town is named after the Suswa mountain. Here it is. It's a conservancy. There's some wild animals, vegetation, cover, and geographic formation. It's a huge mountain. It's a wonderful area. So Suswa town, the weather, like I said earlier, varies. Like now it is very sunny. If I take my hat off, it is scorching. The sun is scorching, hot, very hot. So this hat serves as a shade, really helping me to keep cool. Let me keep walking so that I don't miss the train. Normally when I walk here this field, they dry a lot of cereals here, maize especially, that's corn. But at the moment it's not an harvesting season. Even the grass has grown, but that's not the case. It is bare like this because of laying of polythene papers so that they can dry the maize. This place has some settlements. There is some homes over there, as you can see, and there is a rock formation ahead that I'm about to show you, which is a bit interesting. The background, that is the Suswa Conservancy. There are new developments. The grass is getting taller. I don't know, the crickets are singing music. Their music, the rhythm. Whoa! Some lizards. They are trying to scamper for safety. And there's a dog over there. Don't want to go closer. So this is the rock that I was trying to show you, the formation of this rock. There are lizards all over. I don't know if you can be able to see them trying to bask. The ones that are running over the rock. Yes, and this is Suswa town for you. Stay tuned. Let's keep moving. SGR means standard gauge railway, and I'm at Suswa town. This is Suswa town. Behind me, right over there, the mountains, that is the Suswa Conservancy. And the landscape right behind there, and the small houses behind me, scattered houses. This is Suswa town. You can see Suswa town. So SGR, standard gauge railway, that is, has brought some development to Suswa town. There are some tarmac roads that I'm going to show you just right ahead. The roads have been tarmacked so that it can be easy for the passengers alighting from the Suswa stage to access the Suswa town. Be it goods being carried or people being buried, it will be easier, a lot easier for them to access the town. This area is a hometown to the Maasai people. Maasai people, they keep cattle and they keep moving from place to place in search of greener pastures. So it's a Maasai town, and here are their cattle. The Saiwo breed. It is a local breed that is adaptive to the climate, the hot climate, and reared for milk and meat. Here is an example of the cow I'm talking about, the Saiwo cow. The boy also has sheep, he's grazing some sheep. And here's the tarmac road that I was telling you about, development that is Sasa, that has been brought about by the SGR. Those are sheep. Here are some of the sheep. Is right over. Where is it? Right over there. Right over there. It's not that far. It's like 2.5 kilometers walk. You see, the road is being used by motorbikes. Clean, cool. See the speed at which they are moving. It's safe to use this road, and it's faster, way faster. Yes, we are at Suswa town, and walk with me. Let's see what Suswa has for us. Suswa SGR stage is this way, that way. These are the roads I was talking about. Whoa. The cool development that has been brought about by building of this SGR. There is local tourism, a lot of local tourism, since people at the city need a place to relax during the weekends, place to swim, place to eat. And I must say, the food here is fresh, delicious. Major diet is goat meat and cow meat, and you see the grassland, the grazing fields are green and healthy for grazing of the cows and the cattle. So it's a rich place. It's majorly a Maasai town. The Maasai activities, as I said earlier, is rearing of cows, goats, sheep, moving from one place to another in search of better services like water, grass for the cattle. Yes, so we are almost at the SGR station. As we keep walking, it's not that far, the town is down there. We are from there, Maragate Hotel, and SGR is just around the corner, not that far. There are so many rocks around here that are interesting as a result of volcanic activity The Mount Longonot is a volcanic mountain, so you'll be able to see some of the rocks that were spewed out during the volcanic activities that took thousands of years ago. Let me get a sample so that I can show the type of rocks that we have in this area. Rough rocks, some beautiful. We have this red rock, you can see, a volcanic rock, and we have this black rock. It is a volcanic rock, sorry, as a result of, and down here they are all over, used by the road constructors at the pavement, to fill in the pavement area, sidewalks. These are granites, and we have those red rocks with small holes as a result of hot lava. For example, this rock has so many holes. It's as a result of the volcanic activity that took place many years ago. So we are going up there. The SGR is just up there. We are almost there. This is the walk back from Suswa town. Remember, came via SGR to Suswa. From the SGR station to Suswa town, there are a lot of taxi services. We have boda, that's local motorbikes. They carry you at a fee, like 100 Kenyan shillings. We have small cabs, taxis. They carry an individual varying from the SGR station to Suswa town down there. You can pay $1 per an individual. But we also have hotel services that welcome customers after give customers, it's a marketing way. They give you free transportation to their hotel. One hotel is Margaret. They have a Land Cruiser, Land Rover that I'm going to insert here, that they give free transport from the SGR station. The station right over there to Suswa town. Maragate can be seen over there, the tall building. So it's a free service. It's also a way of attracting customers. So we used one of their pickups. They use Land Cruiser pickups and Toyota pickups to pick customers from the stage. But if you stay there, they drop you back. That's around 3:20 p.m. since the train departs at 50 minutes past 3, all 10 minutes to 4 from here. But since we had a heavy lunch, I prefer to walk and exercise so that I can see around. Yes. These are some of the clients getting back this journey using the boda system. And the boys are at work. They are taking customers back to the SGR. So it's a source of income for the locals. You can see it's a clear road. It's going to get a customer from Suswa town so that they can bring them back to the SGR. It's Suswa mountain. Wow, looking pretty cool. Pretty cool. The SGR stage is right over there, painted in white and Maasai red colors. And over there we have the Longonot, Mount Longonot, volcanic mountain. Yes, welcome to Suswa. Welcome to Suswa town. Look at the landscape behind me. The acacia trees, the animals grazing. See? Very beautiful. Why not come here during one weekend and just take in the fresh air and change your environment? It's a cool place to be. So we are back. As you can see, that's one of the engines being tested, tried and tested. The SGR stage is just right there. Just one corner and be right there. Yes, we are still at Suswa. And now we are here. We are outside. We are outside and it's cool. Over there, that is one of the, that is the SGR stage, and over here on my shoulder, that is one of the engines that is being tried and tested. Yes, this environment is very nice. Just look over here, what you can see. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. And even the sidewalks have been demarcated. Hope they put some curb on top. Look at this environment behind me. Green grass. Beautiful, man. This is Suswa, Nairobi County. Our engine is over there. Oh, it will be okay. And we are back. We are right back on time. What is the time? I checked the time to see how many minutes we have used to walk from Suswa town to Suswa standard gauge railway station. Look at that beautiful engine over there, roaring silently on the rail tracks. People are being ferried still from town on motorbikes, others using taxi, others walking to exercise. And there are some school kids over there chilling near the station. Some playing, get to see. So we are back at the Suswa SGR station, ready for the journey back to Nairobi. Remember, from Rongai to Suswa, we have 3 stations. We have first Rongai station, let's call it 0, base 0. We have the Ngong station, SGR station. We have the Maimayu SGR station. And then we have the Suswa right over here. Suswa SGR station. This is the final destination as per now, until the SGR will be continued onwards toward Malaba, that's the Uganda-Kenya border. But for now, services are up to Suswa, and this is the year 2025. Hope the government will do better and proceed with this SGR, since it will improve on services, agriculture, transportation of produce, and even workers getting to work, and ease even accommodations. Someone can stay at their local home in the village and use the SGR to get to work in the cities. Get to work in the cities. Thank you for watching this video, for following me all the way from Rongai to Suswa. Let me get back. Wow, can you hear the sound? You feel the sound? Let me show you. The mountain at the background is the Mount Longonot. It's a volcanic mountain, and that's one of the engines that is being tested, tried and tested. Our SGR, our train is right over there, ready for us. And this is the Suswa stage, and this is the main gate that is still under construction. There is being warmed up. The engine is being warmed up. It's a diesel engine, so it needs a lot of time to warm up. See you, and thank you for traveling with me today. Ciao. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, guys, wherever you're watching from. This is Harmon, live from Suswa. Thank you for watching, and have a good time.